Welcome back to the Proud Recruiters. I'm Junior. Today we're focusing on setting clear job search goals. Having specific, achievable goals can make your job search more focused and productive. Let's get started. Let's start off with a very important step. Define your career objectives. Think about where you want to be in the next 5 to 10 years and what kinds of roles you're going to need to take in order to get there. Now, this clarity will help guide your job search and help you identify the right opportunities. Next, set daily or weekly goals. Break your job search into manageable tasks, such as sending out a certain number of applications or reaching out to a certain number of contacts each week. This helps you stay on track and measure your progress. Now remember, don't sit at your computer for 8 to 10 hours a day applying to every job that you can find. This is not a sustainable practice. You will burn out and you will just get frustrated. So break up your day into researching companies that you want to be a part of, sending applications to those companies. You want to spend more time trying to figure out what culture is going to be the best fit for you. Now, let's move on. Identify the key skills and experience you need to achieve your career objectives. Look at the job descriptions for roles you're interested in and note the common requirements. This will help you focus on building or highlighting these skills in your applications. And if you are applying to a lot of jobs that are very similar, the keywords could also be similar, so make certain you're keeping contact on that. Up next, set milestones for your job search. These could be things like completing a resume overhaul, attending a networking event, or securing an interview. Milestones give you a sense of accomplishment and help maintain your motivation. Remember, you still have to celebrate the small wins because small wins lead to bigger wins, lead to big wins, which is you landing your dream job. Next up, align your goals with industry trends. Research the job market and the industry trends to understand where opportunities are growing. This can help you focus your job search on areas with high demand and potential for growth. This is what we refer to as the lowest hanging fruit. If there's an industry that is booming, you're going to want to get in because that's going to maximize your growth potential and moving towards you landing your dream job. Lastly, create a personal development plan. Identify areas where you need to improve or gain new skills and set goals for professional development. This could include taking courses, earning certifications, or gaining experience through volunteer work or internships. You should never stop upskilling during your career until you're in your dream job or ready to retire. We give you lots of do's, but here are some don'ts. First, don't set unrealistic goals. Now be ambitious, but also realistic about what you can achieve within a given time frame. Setting unattainable goals can lead to frustration and burnout. Now, another thing to do to make certain you don't do is to avoid neglecting your work-life balance. While it's important to be dedicated to your job search, make sure to take breaks and maintain a healthy balance. This will help you stay motivated and avoid job search fatigue. That's it for today's video on setting clear job search goals. Remember to define your career objectives, set daily or weekly goals, identify key skills and experience, set your milestones, and align your goals with the industry trends, and create a personal development plan. Avoid setting unrealistic goals and neglecting your work-life balance. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll discuss crafting a targeted job search strategy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notifications so you know when our new videos are coming out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.